Okay, here's the example of the issues we're facing with user operator time spent inserting the wire into the slot. This one has been finished. I'm going to now rotate the turret. You can see how it's coming through here. And right now what I have this insertion tool. It's got a little tiny slot in it, and right at the moment I'm taking that, pulling out a little slack, and careful not to break the wire, because if I put it in too tight, and then I'm going to get it to start winding. Here's the winding process. It's been hanging up a little. It's not anything to do with the machine being bad. I have a little tiny spool of wire, and I think the wire is catching somewhere, so I didn't want to hold up the demonstration, so ignore that. It looks like it's winding terrible. Okay, and now here I am. Now while that was winding and I wasn't talking, I could have been taking this other toroid out. You zoom back, Rob. Okay. And what we do, we place this next one in upside down, because when it rotates around, as you notice, you zoomed in now. Okay, as I rotate around, you see how it comes around like that, and then I go back and take this tool. Now there could be quicker ways to insert this. You could actually, I was thinking of ways to automate this function. Some kind of lever that would come up and grab the wire and put it down in the slot. But right now, if I push too hard on this, I think the slot has some sharp edges. This isn't looking good for the demo right now, sorry, but okay, there we go, we're in. But anyways, there's definitely a secondary operation that needs to be performed to get that in that slot. Now that one much better. And I'm only putting on like 240 turns, just enough turns to go down and back. Just have no problem winding all the turns, but I only have this little tiny spool of wire. So that's basically it. I officially recommend the 2+2, because with the 2+2 you would do the left pair, you would mount them, and while they're running you could be swapping out the right pair, and your hand motions would be much easier on the 2+2. Okay, we can cut now.